Here's something nobody tells you. Your first $10,000 isn't life-changing because of the money. It's life-changing because of the person you had to become to earn it. Because nobody accidentally wakes up one day with $10,000 in the bank. That number is earned one decision at a time, one sacrifice at a time, one habit at a time. And that's why reaching your first 5 figures changes something much bigger than your bank account. It changes you. Most people think the journey to wealth starts when you make more money. It doesn't. It starts the moment you stop believing that a bigger paycheck will solve all your problems, because here's the truth. There are people making twice your income who are still living paycheck to paycheck. And there are people earning far less who quietly build wealth year after year. The difference isn't how much they make, it's what they do after they get paid. At first, the changes are almost impossible to notice. You spend a little less than you normally would. You save a little more. You think twice before buying something you don't really need. Nothing about it feels exciting. In fact, it feels painfully slow. There are no dramatic results, no overnight success, no moment where your life suddenly looks different. That's why most people quit. Because progress is invisible before it becomes obvious. But if you keep going, something strange begins to happen. You stop buying things just because everyone else has them. You stop chasing the newest upgrade. You stop trying to look successful and quietly start becoming successful. Without realizing it, your habits begin to change. Then, your mindset changes. And eventually, your future changes. Long before your bank balance ever does. The first thing that changes isn't your income. It's your relationship with money. You stop seeing every dollar as something to spend and start seeing it as something that can work for you. That changes everything. Suddenly, $100 isn't just $100 anymore. It's a future investment. It's a little more security. It's one more step toward freedom. Then something else begins to happen. You stop living from paycheck to paycheck. Not because you're rich, but because you finally have breathing room. A flat tire no longer feels like a financial disaster. An unexpected bill doesn't destroy your entire month. For the first time, money stops controlling every decision you make. And that's a feeling that's hard to describe until you've experienced it yourself. But here's the part nobody talks about. Building your first $10,000 is incredibly boring. There are no fireworks, no shortcuts, no secret investments, just hundreds of ordinary decisions made consistently, choosing to invest instead of impulse buying, choosing patience over instant gratification, choosing your future again and again and again. Most people never fail because they aren't smart enough. They fail because they expect extraordinary results from ordinary effort. Then they quit, right before those ordinary efforts finally start to compound. And that's exactly why the first $10,000 is the hardest. You're building more than money. You're building proof. Proof that you can stay disciplined even when nobody is watching. Proof that you can keep going even when the results are invisible. Proof that your future matters more than today's temptation. Then, one day, it happens. You open your banking app. You glance at the screen, and there it is. $10,000. You expected excitement. You expected to feel rich. Instead, you smile, close the app, and quietly continue with your day, because deep down, you realize something. The number didn't change your life that morning. It simply confirmed that your life had already changed. So, what actually changes after your first $10,000? More than you think. You stop living in survival mode. You stop making decisions out of fear. Instead of wondering if you'll have enough, you start asking how to build even more. That's a completely different way of thinking. You begin planning years ahead, instead of counting down the days until your next paycheck. You stop chasing every new trend, because you've learned something far more valuable. Real wealth isn't built by making one perfect decision. It's built by making good decisions consistently, day after day, month after month, year after year. And here's the best part. The person who built the first $10,000 is capable of building the next $10,000 and the next. Because the hardest part was never the money. It was becoming the kind of person who could create it. Most people spend their lives waiting for something outside of them to change. A better job, a bigger paycheck, the perfect opportunity. But wealth usually begins much earlier than that. It begins the moment you take responsibility for the choices you make every single day. Because every small decision is casting a vote for the person you're becoming. One unnecessary purchase, or one investment, one excuse, or one step forward, it all adds up, not overnight, but over time. That's why the first $10,000 is so important. It isn't impressive because of the number. For many people, it's not even a life-changing amount of money, but it represents something that can't be measured by a bank balance. It represents discipline, patience, consistency, self-control, the ability to think beyond today. And once you have those, no one can take them away from you. Not a recession, not a bad investment, not even a financial setback, because you've already learned the skill that matters most. The skill of building. One day, your account may show $20,000, then $50,000, maybe even $100,000. But you'll always remember the first 5 figures, because that wasn't the day you became wealthy. It was the day you realized you could. So if you're still chasing your first $10,000, don't obsess over the number. Focus on becoming the person who deserves to reach it. Because when that person exists, the number is only a matter of time. And that's something nobody tells you. Your first $10,000 isn't life-changing because of the money. It's life-changing because of the person you had to become to earn it.